What if I told you that you've been decluttering the wrong way all along? Introducing Backwards Decluttering, a refreshing approach to simplify your life and create a clutter-free space without the stress. Let's dive into this unique method that will change the way you think about tidying up forever. What is backwards decluttering? Define the concept. Most decluttering methods focus on deciding what to get rid of. Backwards decluttering flips the script. It's about identifying what you truly need and love, then letting the rest go. Why it's effective? This method minimizes decision fatigue and shifts the focus from loss to appreciation. Real-life example. Imagine starting with an empty closet and carefully selecting only the items you'd actively buy or wear again. Suddenly, everything else feels unnecessary. Why traditional decluttering can be overwhelming. Emotional attachment. Sorting through your belongings can trigger guilt, nostalgia, or anxiety. Decision paralysis. Deciding what to toss out of hundreds of items is mentally draining. Clutter blindness. Over time, we stop noticing the clutter in our spaces, making it harder to take action. Backwards decluttering solves these issues by focusing on what adds value to your life. How to start backwards decluttering. Step 1. Empty your space. Choose a category or area, for example, clothes, kitchenware, and take everything out. Seeing an empty space helps you imagine how clean and functional it could be. Step 2. Select your essentials. Ask yourself, if I had to buy this item again, would I? Keep only the items you love, use regularly, or have irreplaceable sentimental value. Step 3. Declutter the rest. Once you've chosen your essentials, everything else becomes easy to let go of. Applying backwards decluttering to different areas of your home. Closet. Remove everything and pick only the clothes you wear often or feel confident in. Donate or sell the rest to someone who'll appreciate them more. Kitchen. Identify your most used tools and appliances. Keep those and let go of duplicates or rarely used items. A clutter-free kitchen can make cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Living room. Choose furniture and decor that make your space functional and relaxing. Remove items that don't serve a purpose or bring joy. Digital decluttering. Backwards decluttering isn't just for physical items. Apply it to your digital life too. Keep only the apps, files, and emails that are useful and delete the rest for a cleaner, more organized digital space. The emotional and practical benefits of backwards decluttering. Less stress and anxiety. Living in a clutter-free space can improve mental clarity and focus. Save time and energy. Fewer items mean less cleaning, organizing, and maintenance. Rediscover gratitude. By focusing on what you truly need, you'll develop a deeper appreciation for the items you own. Boost creativity. A clean, minimalist environment fosters creativity and inspiration. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Struggling to let go. Remind yourself that letting go of an item doesn't erase the memories associated with it. Take a photo if needed. What if I need it later? Trust your instincts. If you haven't used it in months or years, it's likely you won't miss it. Family resistance. Encourage family members to try the method for themselves, but don't force it. Lead by example. Tips for staying clutter-free long-term. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, remove one old item. Practice mindful shopping. Before buying something, ask yourself if it truly adds value to your life. Schedule regular decluttering sessions. Revisit your belongings every few months to ensure they align with your current needs and lifestyle. Real-life success stories. Story 1. A busy mom who transformed her chaotic kitchen into a functional space using backwards decluttering. Story 2. A young professional who found focus and productivity by decluttering their workspace. Story 3. A family who downsized their home and discovered freedom and happiness with fewer possessions. Why backwards decluttering is more than just tidying up. It's a mindset shift. You'll start to value quality over quantity in all aspects of life. It fosters intentional living. You'll be more mindful about the things you bring into your home. It's environmentally friendly. By buying less and donating more, you'll reduce waste and contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. Backwards decluttering isn't just about getting rid of stuff, it's about discovering what truly matters to you. By flipping the script and focusing on what you love and need, you can create a home and life that reflects your values and goals. So, are you ready to take the first step toward a simpler, happier life? Let me know in the comments what area of your home you'll tackle first.